You can go. Whoa, oh, it bumped the black thing.
Yeah.
Okay, to go again.
I need to go fast. Watch, I can
You're so good at this.
Yeah. Teaching you. I'm teaching Andy too. I call him.
Awesome.
Hey. Hey. He keeps falling off. I need to go face the window.
Here's the 12. I bought Sam a caddy for zero fill.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Oh, do that for you?
Yes, best hula hooper I've ever seen.